It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. I'm so happy you're here today because we have a super jolly Christmas surprise. Are you ready for some holiday magic? Look closely, friends, because the very first thing we're drawing today is a cute little Christmas puppy. Oh, I can already imagine his tiny nose. Boop. And those happy eyes shining like Christmas lights. I wonder, is he a playful puppy?
Wow!
A sleepy puppy?
Wow!
Or maybe a puppy who loves candy canes? Let's find out together. Oh, and do you see that little tongue peeking out? Our puppy must be so excited to meet you. And look, he's wearing a jolly Santa hat.
Wow!
This little doggy is ready for Christmas fun. Whoa, look at that. Our Christmas puppy popped out perfectly. All right, friends, here's the fun part, making our puppy's lines thick. By thickening his lines, we can see his cuteness even more. That's so colourful, puppy. I really love it. It's colour time. Let's make our puppy the cutest Christmas pup ever. Colour red. First, let's colour his Santa hat. Do you see it on his head? It's so squishy and fluffy. We're using a bright red, just like Santa's. Do you think the hat makes the dog feel like a superhero or a Christmas elf? I think he's a super Christmas elf, ready to deliver presents. And maybe a cookie or colourful candies, ha ha ha. Do you think this hat is soft like a cloud or squishy like a big marshmallow? I bet if the dog tried to nap in it, he'd bounce up like a fluffy little trampoline. And the fluffy part? That gets a nice light blue or white. It looks like a soft cloud. Do you think this dog's Santa hat is too big or just the right size? I think it's so big it might cover his ears. Oops. He's still wagging his tail though, silly dog. If we add some tiny snowflakes to the hat, do you think it would sparkle like magic snow? Yes. And maybe the snowflakes would start dancing too.
Wow!
Oh, these ears are so precious. I think they could wiggle every time he hears a Christmas jingle or a little laugh, just to say, "Hello, I'm so happy." Do you think his eyes are twinkling like Christmas lights or sparkling like stars? Yes, they're twinkling super bright, like he's seeing the snow falling for the very first time. And he can't stop staring because it's so magical. Oh, his cheeks are so soft and chubby. I just want to give them a gentle squeeze and see him wiggle happily. These ears are perfect for listening to a Christmas songs all day long. His ears are so big, ha-ha, so funny and super cute. I love how his tail swings from side to side, like it's dancing to its very own Christmas song, full of jingles and happy little puppy beats that make me want to dance too. Do you think our puppy has a super soft, squishy belly or a tiny, bouncy tummy? I think it's super squishy and so soft. If we poked it gently, it would jiggle like a little pillow full of giggles. And I bet he'd wag his tail even faster because he's so happy.
Wow!
Every little spot and patch we colour on his body makes him look even more cheerful and full of love, like a puppy ready to share happiness with everyone he meets. Hey friends, do you have a puppy at home? Tell me your puppy's name. I really want to know. Colour brown. Look at his cute nose. It's so soft and squishy. I just want to give it a gentle boop boop.
Wow!
Let's colour his tongue red. Isn't that tongue just the cutest thing here? Colour blue. Do you think he wears his collar every day? Or just for special Christmas parties? I think he wears it all the time. And today, it's extra shiny for Christmas fun. He wiggles it and shakes his head like, "Look at me, I'm ready for presents."
Wow!
I love how playful he looks. He's ready to run, jump, and spread Christmas giggles everywhere we go. Haha. Colour green. Now we get to colour the Christmas gift box present. Let's make it green on the sides.
Wow!
If this little dog could talk to Santa Claus, he'd probably say in his tiniest puppy voice, "Woof, woof, I've been the very best little pup all year long. Can I have some squeaky toys and maybe a giant fluffy blanket too?" And then he'd wag his tail so hard that he almost knocks over the Christmas tree. Ha ha!
Wow!
Do you think he likes playing in the snow or jumping in the squishy muddy puddles more? Maybe he'll frolic in the snow, making little paw prints everywhere. And then, when he gets a little too cold, he'll jump in the mud, splashing all over, and look so funny that even the reindeer would laugh. Ha ha! Colour yellow. And the middle can be yellow, so bright and shiny like Christmas lights. If he could sing a Christmas song, do you think he'd start tiny and soft, then bark really loud on the chorus?
Wow!
Oh yes, he'd sing "Woof, woof, jingle bells" all over the room, hopping and twirling, trying to hit the high notes, while we clap and laugh at his very silly, very festive puppy performance. Ha ha ha, that's funny.
Wow!
I colour the gift box green and yellow with curly ribbons, so it looks magical, like Santa himself wrapped a special present just for our puppy. Colour pink. And now the best part, the big ribbon. We're colouring it pink. Wow, it looks so cute and magical. Every little wiggle of his tail looks so happy, like he's giggling and telling us, "I'm ready for all the Christmas fun, cookies and cuddles." Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Do you think he's thinking about a Christmas bone or a tiny puppy present? He's thinking about both. His eyes are sparkling with excitement, and his little tongue is hanging out like, "I can't wait to see what's inside." Ha ha ha.
Wow!
Ta-da! We finished our Christmas puppy on the gift box. He looks so happy and ready for holiday fun. Thanks for drawing and colouring with me today. You're amazing. If you had fun, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more cute drawing adventures. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.